you yesterday, today I will take a test on the chapter 2 of your computer. That is the keys chapter on your computer. Okay, so everyone, please be seated with your white page, and there you need to draw an OMR sheet. 10 questions are there. Again, I am repeating. Please sit with a white page. Write your name, class, section, subject, date of birth, everything on the top, and draw 10 OMR places, draw 10 questions places. Everyone, I'm just sharing the questions, you need to write it. I am sharing the question, you need to write it. You need to finish it within 10. Afterwards, I will say you the answers. Everyone sit fast, and you need to submit this thing. Submit this paper, this answer script by taking one picture in your school app. Okay. Sit fast. Yes, Aratrika, is there any problem?
Ma'am, at the before screen sharing, I have a doubt that will find my doubts. I have a doubt that where it's maths or computer. My doubt is clear. For your screen sharing,
Okay. Computer class. Okay, no problem. Ask Adrika, what is your problem? First, you write down. Rest of the student write down. Write down. Adrika, what is your problem? Unmute yourself, Adrika. Unmute. Now unmute. No, Adrika, you just leave the class and join once more. Your voice is not coming to me. Okay, leave the class, join once more. Leave the class, join once more. Arad, what happened? What is the problem? Just wait for a while. I hope that this is my end's problem. Just wait for a while. Yes. Hello. Can you listen to me? Arad, so just talk once. I couldn't listen anything. Adrika, just talk once.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You can listen.
Yes, now I can listen. Arad, your voice is not coming to me. You just leave the class and join once more. Arad, you leave the class and join once more. Okay. I am not listening anything. Leave the class and join once more. Adrika, what is your problem? Now you tell me.
Question also the answer only.
Answer you write down, questions later you can write. Okay, if answers are completed, that time you will write the questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shaptaparna. What is the problem?
Ma'am, we write only answer.
Answer you first write down. Afterwards, I will show you the question. That time also questions also you write. Okay. So name class, roll number section. I hope the roll number.
Ma'am, I write only answer.
Yes, answer you first complete. Afterwards, you will write the question. What I am telling, listen to it very carefully. Okay. See, I am sharing. All the questions I have shared. 10 questions are there. Need to write the 10 answers. Okay, I will not listen to anyone else. First, you complete it. After 12, 10, I will listen to everyone. Yes, Arhat, what happened? Arhat, your voice are not coming to me. Your voice is clearly not coming to me. If you are doing it with the computer, this can be your computer's problem. Your voice is not coming to us. What happened to the skin?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have also write the question also.
Sajad, what happened?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I have no white page.
You write in your ruled page, okay, or your classwork copy you write. No problem. If you have completed, you can submit. Tab has been already generated. Okay, answers I will give later. 5 minutes later, I will give the answers. At 12:10, exactly at 12:10, I will start discussing with the answers. I will start discussing with the answers. If you have completed, start writing the questions also in your classwork copy so that later you can just practice with those questions. Okay, so I am discussing with the answers. Okay. Here we use dash key to erase anything on the left side of the cursor. So whenever left side is there, you have to choose the backspace. Okay. So backspace will be your answer. Okay. So I'm marking the answers by this color. Okay. By sky color. After that, dash key allows us to cancel an operation. Here from the options, it is very easy that escape key allows us to cancel any kind of operation. Afterwards, the question is dash key takes us to the beginning of a line in the screen. Here the answer will be home key. Okay. So home is your answer. Next is D. D is what? Dash key takes us at the end of the line. Here the answer is end key. Okay. After that, dash key allows us to type over material you have already typed. Okay. So here the questions will be, the answer will be 5A. Okay, insert key. Dash key allows us to print what is on the screen. Print screen. By pressing screen, print screen, we can take the screenshots on the computer. Okay. So here again we are just going that dash key used to perform special functions. Functions mean functions key. Special functions means always functions key. To put several spaces, we should use dash key. To put several spaces, we should use tabs key. Spacebar also we are using for to just giving space, but spacebar while we are using, that is giving only one space between two words. But while we are using tab key, that is giving actually more than one space, that is 4 spaces together, all together. Alphabet keys are situated on the dash on the key of the keyboard, means middle, left, right. Where it is situated, we need to write. So it is situated on the middle of the keyboard. Which of the following is not the special keys? Arrow keys. Okay, but the rest of the keys, whatever is written, space bar, enter, escape, all those keys are actually special keys. So if you need to take a screenshot, you can take it, so that you later you can write it. So these are the answers. I hope that in the OMR filling you all have completed. I hope that in the OMR filling all of you have completed. Yes, Ahornish, any questions are there? Any confusions are there? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, when the deadline will over?
Today's deadline will be end tomorrow. Okay, I have given a little bit longer deadline for this, but remember these things in the exam. The deadline will be end within 10 minutes. Okay, so you need to be very, very, very cautious about that. Anything else? I hope that no more questions are there. Okay, just revise the computer, entire computer chapter 2 right now. Everyone just revise the entire chapter. Revise the entire chapter and let me just know that if any questions are there or not. I'm lowering all of your hand because I know that you will tell that, ma'am, done, it's done. Read the chapter 2 again once more, so that you can just ask me any question. And Arhad, you are facing much Arit, I'm not interested in your art and craft. Later you will show me. Okay, now we are doing the revision.